Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel BU05 Assessment 1 Hotel Reservation and Room Rates Analysis. In its project description, the hotel area asked you to develop a spreadsheet, a model that will assist and determine room rates and the break-even point for specific types of rooms such as Grand Villa Suites. As part of this analysis, you will need to import that data on the reservation made at the hotel. Currently, William is not certain whether the pricing helps cover expenses such as housekeeping cost or whether the price even generate a profit for the resort. He would also like you to generate a scenario summary report that will state the net income based on the best scenario, worst scenario, and most likely scenario. Mr. Williamson gave you an Excel workbook with the partial model already built and some data to use while building your model. Upon completing, you will present your model to Mr. William before the spreadsheet model is implemented. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, open the downloaded file name Excel BU5 PS4 hotel reservation. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location whether you are sorting your file. I have already opened this file, that's our file. So we will go to the second step. You need to import reservation data from the hotel in order to clean the data for the further analysis. So establish a connection to the text Excel BU05 PS2 reservation data.txt. Use get and transform. This one file is given with this exercise. So you need to import this one for data analysis. We will go to the reservation data tab and we will go to the data and go to the get and transform data from text or CSV file. I have pasted that file to the desktop. That's our file Excel BU5 PS2 reservation data. We will import this one. That's our second step. Our third step is split the data into individual columns using the tab character as a delimiter and use the first row of the data as a heading. So we will make it as a transform data. To transform this data, we will go to the split column by delimiter. What he asked using the tab character as a delimiter, so we will go to the tab character as a delimiter and press OK. You see we have separated our column to different columns. Use the first row of the data as a heading, so we will select the first row. Here we will select use the first row as a header. So now our first row is have a unique names. And if you need help in the online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, SAM course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to come directly into my inbox. Now we will move to our fourth step. Our fourth step is change the data type of the check-in date and check-out date field to date. So we will go, that is our check-in date. We will press this one and change the data type to date only, and also for checkout date we will make the change type as a date only. So that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is clean the non-printable character from the guest name field. So we will go to the guest name field. That is our guest name field. So we need to use to extract the non-printable character. These may be not visible in the Power Query editor, but be visible in the Excel if it not removed. So we will do the two things. We will go to the transform and we will first trim and then we will clean this one. So it's now clean from the non-printable text. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is extract the first name, middle name and last name from the guest name into three new columns. First name, middle name and last name. So we will split this column also by a delimiter by using, you can see here as a comma. You see we have got first name, last name. Now we will go to the guest name too and split this one another one time using the delimiter as a space and press OK. So we have got first name, last name and third name. We need to delete this column, remove this column. So and what he is saying, name into three column first name. So we will make it as a first name. We will copy this and we will make guest name 1 to first name, middle name as a guest name 2, copy and paste this one as a middle name and third one last name in that order and the last name as a third one. We make it as a third name, last name. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is close and load the data into cell A1 of the reservation data. So we will now close and load this one. Close and load. Now it's loading. You see we have got the data in the our reservation data. No, we did make a mistake. We need to make it by making it rename it as a reservation data. Copy, paste this one. And delete this one file sheet. Now rename this one as a reservation data. Press enter. So we have got our reservation data in the reservation data file. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is on the rate scenario worksheet. So we will go to the rate scenario worksheet. That's our rate scenario worksheet. Use a scenario manager to add a scenario named most likely scenario. So we will go to the scenario manager. We will go to the data tab, what if analysis, and go to the scenario manager and add a scenario. What is our scenario? Most likely scenario. Put here a scenario name, most likely scenario. Use the cell C4 to C7 as a changing cell. Make the changing cell as a C4 to C7. That is our for C4 to C7. No, C4 to C7. The current values of the worksheet will be the most likely scenario values and press OK. And these are the current values are the most likely scenario values. So we will press OK. That's our most likely scenario. That's our eighth step. We have total 20 steps of this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just scan the barcode of my WhatsApp number, which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, to get directly in my inbox. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.